Method 1. Soft and fluffy. Steamed eggs. First, prepare 4 small glass bowls and crack 1 egg into each bowl. Next, use a fork to beat the eggs until the mixture becomes completely smooth. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Prepare another glass bowl of the same size and pour in an amount of milk equal to the amount of egg in one bowl. Then, divide the milk evenly among the bowls of beaten eggs so that the ratio of milk to egg in each bowl is 1:1. This ratio helps the steamed eggs achieve a softer, smoother, and creamier texture. Continue stirring with a fork until the milk and egg mixture are fully combined. Which country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below. It's amazing that we can connect with one another from all around the world. At this stage, you can add a little salt to taste or mix in your favorite vegetables, such as green onions, cilantro, or finely chopped carrots. Then, gently stir once more so that all the ingredients are evenly combined. Now, place a pot on the stove and pour in about 500 milliliters of water. Heat the water until it becomes warm and small bubbles begin to form on the bottom of the pot. Carefully place each bowl of the egg mixture into the pot. Next, cover the pot with a lid and steam the eggs over medium heat for about 20 minutes. The gentle heat from the water will cook the eggs slowly, creating a soft, silky, and smooth texture. While waiting for the eggs to cook, I begin preparing the second delicious dish. First, I take 8 slices of sandwich bread. I cut each slice in a special way. Using a knife, I start from one corner and cut diagonally toward the center of the opposite edge. Then, from the other corner, I cut back to the same point. This simple technique transforms each slice of bread into several small triangular pieces with a unique and appealing shape. Next, I crack 4 eggs into a large bowl. It's wonderful to be connected with all of you from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then, I add a little salt. Then, whisk everything together until the eggs are smooth and fully combined. I place a frying pan on the stove, add a little cooking oil, and use a brush to spread a thin, even layer across the surface of the pan. Once the pan is evenly heated, I carefully arrange the pieces of sandwich bread in the pan. As you can see, they come together to create a beautiful and visually appealing pattern. Slowly, I pour the beaten egg mixture into all the spaces between the bread pieces, allowing it to fill every gap. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then, I cover the pan with a lid and cook over low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. At this point, the 20 minutes of steaming time for the eggs has also finished. Using tongs, I carefully remove each glass bowl from the pot. Just look at them. The eggs are wonderfully fluffy, soft, and silky smooth. To remove the eggs from the bowls, simply invert each bowl onto a plate. The steamed eggs will gently slide out, forming a beautiful round shape that looks almost like a pudding. This dish is not only rich, creamy, and silky smooth, but also very easy to eat and suitable for people of all ages. Now, let's return to the bread in the pan. After about 5 minutes, I remove the lid and sprinkle a layer of grated cheese over 1/2 of the bread. Next, I slice a tomato into thin rounds and arrange them on top of the cheese-covered side. I add a little chopped cilantro and finish with another layer of grated cheese for even more flavor. Then, I cover the pan with a lid and continue cooking for about 3 more minutes, or until the cheese has completely melted. Do you remember those leftover bread crusts from earlier? Well, here's the answer. First, I spread a thin layer of butter over the entire surface of the baking tray to prevent the bread from sticking. Next, I arrange the remaining bread pieces in a circle to form the base of a mini pizza. I spread a thin, even layer of tomato sauce over the bread. Which country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below. It's amazing that we can connect with one another from all around the world. Next, I add a layer of bacon. I sprinkle some grated cheese on top. I place the tray into the air fryer and cook it at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 10 to 15 minutes. At the same time, the egg and bread dish in the pan has cooked beautifully, developing an appealing golden color on the outside while remaining soft and fluffy on the inside. After allowing it to cool slightly, I cut it into bite-sized pieces, making it easier to enjoy and even more appetizing to serve. As for the air fryer bread pizza, after 15 minutes of cooking, you'll have a fragrant mini pizza topped with a beautifully melted layer of stretchy cheese that's absolutely irresistible. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. So today, we've made 3 incredibly simple egg dishes that are also absolutely delicious. The best part is that none of them require fancy ingredients, and all of them are easy to prepare right at home. Which one is your favorite? Let me know your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and I'll see you again in the next video.